Today I am introducing you Mr. Anthony Brooks. He is one of the fastest Rubik's Cube solver in the world.
I just happen to be able to solve this really, really fast. Say go. Well, once I look at it, I can always plan like 10 or 15 moves ahead. So as long as I know where I'm at.
How long does it take you?
In two hands, I average around 8 seconds. My fastest time in competition is 6 seconds.
So in your mind, what are you seeing? A big, like, are you seeing 9 by 9, or are you seeing like much bigger than that? Or you can't explain that?
Well, the first 2 layers of it, I solve like bottom 2 rows essentially. And for that, I solve it very intuitively and organically. So there are 5 things that go into like being a world-class Rubik's Cube solver: pattern recognition, dexterity, memory, both like up here and muscle memory, logic, and good spatial awareness. So the biggest thing for the first 2 layers are logic and spatial awareness, because I'm able to deduce like efficient ways of solving those 2 layers. And for the last layer, I've generated and memorized hundreds of algorithms that I use to manipulate the cube in all different ways. So right now I'm looking at this.
You already have one side done.
Yeah, well, oh, you saw the side? Oh, nice. Nice, I didn't even notice that. Because I usually start with, I can start on any color, but I usually start by making the blue cross. So I plan that out and I have that there. And now I'm going to begin building these little pairs, so 2 pieces at a time, like this, to solve the first 2 layers. So as I go around and do this, now I have 2 layers done. So I did this, I just like made stuff up to do that right now. For the last layer, I've memorized hundreds and hundreds of algorithms that manipulate the cube in all different ways. So for this, the best thing I can do is orient the top side and then position the corners, and it's done.
Wow.
So if I do that fast,
peasy,
check it out. So now I'm mixing this up. I'll do a really fast one for you. So do a few moves to make sure that I didn't set anything up. So just turn it, make sure it's all scrambled.
Get it really scrambled.
Yeah, I don't want it to be easy.
You want one of the stickers?
I would know. Sorry?
When did you start doing this?
Well, we switched at 14. Can I see it? Thanks.
So you're looking at it all, you're getting it all in your head right now.
I'm planning like the first 10, 15 moves. So I know it starts like this. And then from here, I just go around the cube.
Oh, wait. That is so cool.
Go.
I'll pretty much move those.